Every year, on 13th of February, we celebrate World Radio Day. This year's theme is Celebrating the Power of Voice and Connection. Then, what is this World Radio Day? The United Nations Educational, Scientific and Cultural Organization announced World Radio Day in 2011. The date February 13th was chosen as it marks the anniversary of the establishment of United Nations Radio in 1946. The reason behind this initiative was to raise awareness about the radio's timeless ability to reach a mass audience. Regardless of geography and resources, radio communicates globally. From news reporting to music streaming, live sports updates, and natural disaster alert, radio plays a major role.
The question arises, what is the relevance of radio in this digital era? In the domains of television, social media, and the internet, how does radio remain the key source of information and entertainment? The answer is that it is cost efficient, easy to use, diverse in content, and allow for real-time communication. If we discuss the role of radio in the LIS world, it can be seen that libraries have used these radio for outreach, education, and community engagement. I come across a poster from the IFLA website with the title Responding to the Community, Exploring Library Staff and Participants' Role in Creating Progress for Radio. It says that researchers from the University of Texas and the University of Alabama organized a project, Rise of Radio on Library, Family and Youth Engagement in Library Support, Learning via Radio. This project shows how public library staff collaborated with families to produce educational content in an audio series for the rural community. Just imagine if there will be a dedicated show for the public library for the kids to introduce them with the library culture, then how strong the library service and the library community will be. You know that Internet Archive has established a digital library dedicated to radio shows, even Vivid Bharati's Raat Ka Humsafar, to safeguard the rich culture. And interesting? To get more such videos, do like, share and subscribe our channel LIS Unplugged with Sam and Suv. Thank you. Bye bye. Haha, Gajapati. Don't forget to hit the bell icon.